Hey folks, if you've ever wanted to just download someone else's game and mess around with all the assets and make your own copy of it, you can if they allow it. So I'll walk you through the process of allowing it and then copying and editing a game. So if I go to File, I'm going to say Publish to Roblox. So I've published my latest version, and then I go to Roblox. I've got two windows open. This is Higgledy Piggledy's account, and this is my account. So if I go to my experiences and I click on this one, copy and edit my game, there's a couple permissions I have to change. So I have to go to places and go into my starting place, change the permissions on my starting place, and grant content sharing rights to all users. I think that's all. And then save changes. And then let's go back to this account. And so I'm going to refresh. So when this account, which didn't create the game, when they open up Roblox Studio, it's kind of hidden. You look at these three dots. If you click in here and say edit, boom, this will allow you, I have to click on Open Roblox Studio. This will allow you to download my game, copy my Fox, kind of just reverse engineer some stuff. So yeah, it's really useful if you want to do what I'm doing, like share tips and tricks with people. I'm going to cancel this. So yeah, I hope that works for you. The link will be in the description of this video. So try it out. Let me know if it works. That is all.